it's Suzanne from the Painted Drawer back with another video for you. This tutorial will be interesting because I have personally never done this technique before, so it's new to me as well as to you. I have a client and she would like me to use graphite. So it's Annie Sloan graphite, and on top of the graphite she wants a silverish finish, and she would like it to be, because she read this somewhere online, Annie Sloan clear wax mixed with a metallic. So this is Deco Art Metallics, and the color is, what is this color? It is sterling silver. So I'm going to be taking sterling silver and mixing it into the wax and applying that over the graphite to get this interesting finish that, like I said, she had seen online. I'm not sure where. So I just thought I'd make a video because it's new to me and likely will be new to you. Let's give it a try. Well, I'm almost finished. Just so you know, a few tips. A little paint in the wax goes a long way, so that's something I figured out. And after I waxed the whole piece, I took a cloth and buffed it. So I'm going to take my sanding sponge, go over it, and then it should be done. There we go. This is making it much more smooth to the touch. It takes a lot of buffing in this process to get it